Hi everyone, it's Jon Montresor from Trophy Chasers Outdoors. Today I am native brook trout fishing in the middle of Pennsylvania wilderness. I'm 2 miles into woods and I'm just fishing a little mountain stream that's right behind me actually. And I'm hoping to get just a couple nice little beautiful native brook trouts. They're very beautiful here. And I was fishing, just first day of fishing season, I was trying to get away from the crowds and stuff. I want to get a walk. So here I am in the same area as I hunt. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so a tip to approaching a mountain stream for brook trout, or just native trout in general. One of my recommendations is have your hook baited up, ready to go, so that way when you get there you could just cast right in. You don't really have to expel much movement. You want to expose as little movement as possible. And when you're coming up to the stream, you want to stay as low as you can, low to the ground, because these trout will see you. Alright, got a nice deep hole here. Big pile of sticks right below me, so hopefully there's one sitting in there, if not many. There's a good one. Oh, that's a nice one there. Oh, look at that guy. Wow. He's real pretty. That's a nice native. Holy cow. Look how pretty he is. Feisty little guy. Look how pretty that thing is. Real nice one. Oop, there's one. Ooh, nice little guy. Colors on him. Beautiful. I love these fish. Look how beautiful he is. Nice dark red spots. Nice purple halo. White tip fins. Awesome fish. There's one. Little guy. Real dark one too. That's a dark one there. Black stripes on them too. There's one. Even smaller one. Yep. If you look closely, I caught that little native trout, and there's a bigger trout trying to swallow it, and pretty much is. That was really cool. If you guys didn't see that, I caught this little, just real little native, and this is the last one I caught there on the video here, and he came up and he actually surfaced right there to reacclimate, get back into the water. Well, another native trout, twice its size, came out from under a rock and completely engulfed half of this native brook. There's one. Ooh, that's a colorful one. Got nice red tip fins on him. Pink belly. That's probably the most colorful one I caught yet. Wow. He came out actually hammered. He actually hit a salmon egg. Believe it or not. It's awesome. There he goes. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Facebook or Instagram for more fishing and hunting pictures and videos. Got a picture you'd like to share? Send it to us via Facebook, Instagram, or to one of our team members to be featured on the page.